Hello, everybody. Good to see you. Let's sing hello, and then we're going to think a little bit about giving things to one another today. Oh, I wonder what we might give. Off we go. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello to everyone. Sing hello. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello to everyone. Clap hello. And wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello to everyone. Wriggle hello. Wow. Here we go. What does it feel like when somebody gives you something? Sometimes it might be a hug, or maybe it might be this. Maybe it might be something you really like, like a treat or something like that. We give people things for all sorts of reasons all the time, don't we? Let's have a look in this book. This book's called Giving. And on the front cover, you can see there's a girl and one of her grown-ups, and they're having a cuddle. They're giving one another a cuddle. And look, it's the same people inside. This says, giving her grown-up a present. And what's inside there? Look. Handing it to her. I wonder if it's something that she's made. And she gives it to her. Her grown-up gives her such a big hug. Look. Do you think that's her auntie? Do you think it's her mum? Or do you think it might be maybe one of her friends who lives next door? Oh, she gave her a present and she gave her a hug. Let's see if there's anything else in here that anybody gives to anybody. Oh, I think it's somebody's birthday. That would be a good time to give somebody something, wouldn't it? Look, this little girl getting a present, and I think it's from her, perhaps from her granny and granddad. What do you think? Look, her present is a lovely new pram for her dollies and her teddies. She's very pleased. And so they give her the pram, and she gives her teddy a ride in the pram. She takes it outside. You think she's gone to the park? Take it for a walk in the pram. Those are lovely things to be giving. When do we give things to one another? This girl has been wrapping something up. It's a present ready to give. I wonder if that's for the birthday, or if it's for Christmas, or maybe Diwali or Hanukkah. Maybe it's for Eid, Chinese New Year, or a special naming day. Oh, there are so many times. Of course, we give one another things all the time, but there are special times when we give as well, aren't there? What kinds of things do you like? Little things sometimes, small presents like maybe some coins. I don't know whether those are real coins or whether they might be those ones that have got chocolate inside. So maybe it might be a special treat of something that you enjoy eating. Or perhaps it might be a new book. That would be a lovely thing. Imagine opening a present. Inside there was a lovely new storybook. That one looks a good one to open, doesn't it? Because it's got a picture of a present on the front of it. Sometimes, when it's a very special time, you might open your box. You might find we've got a new toy. Let's open this one and see. Oh, look, I have a new toy for my birthday. Or I had a new toy because it was a special festival day. A lovely thing to open. So it's quite fun sometimes to pretend games about the presents, isn't it? Because we can't have the presents all the time. Although a hug, a cuddle, a smile, those are like presents, especially when you really feel like you need them and you really want to give them to somebody else. But we could play a game, having presents inside a box. Some of you will know this one already because we have done it before. It's where you pretend that one hand is your box, and that's going to have the present inside. The other hand is going to be the lid on the top. Wonder what's inside it. That's what we're going to say. Here is a box. Here is the lid. I wonder whatever inside it is hid. That's another way of saying hidden. Let's do that again. Here is a box. Here is the lid. I wonder whatever inside it is hid. Oh, wow. It's a lovely new hat for me without any doubt. I open the lid and I lift it out. There's my pretend hat. And put it on. Oh, lovely. What a nice present. I'll tie this bit of ribbon under mine. I think it looks nice. So let's see what you've got inside your box. Here is a box. Here is the lid. I wonder whatever inside it is here. We can see. What is it? Oh, I'd love to know what everybody else found inside their box. And you know, there's another good game you can play too. You can take one of your toys, like maybe my new car, and you and one of your grown-ups, or brother or a sister or a friend, wrap it up with old wrapping up paper maybe, or anything that you've got. You could wrap it up in a tissue if you wanted to. One person lies down and pretends to be asleep. The other person puts the present beside them, and they might say, Happy birthday, or Happy Christmas, or Happy Diwali. And then they go away, and the other person wakes up and says, there's a present for me. Take off the paper. The inside, although it's only really one of your toys, you look at it and you say, oh, wow, that's exciting. And then you swap over and the other person has a turn and pretends to be asleep and to get a new present. You can do it with different toys or bricks or anything that you want. And it's really good fun to do. Quite fun pretending to be the post person and bringing it in a bag as well. So lots of games that we can play. How about if we made a real present? Well, let's think about what we could make. I thought it might be fun. It's something that grown-ups can help us with, but we make the most part of it. To make a special picture in a frame to give to somebody as a special present. So how do we make a picture? Well, we all know how to make a picture. We need a piece of paper, and we need some pens or some crayons or some paint, whatever we've got. So that's going to be where you're going to make your picture. And grown-ups, that piece of paper is going to be just the right size, fit into the lid of your box. You don't need a box, you only need the lid. So here we are. I've got the lid of a shoebox. That's quite a good size. And I've got another piece of paper that's just the same size. I'm going to fit it into the box. And how will we get it to stay there? Well, we can use some glue. Stick that piece in. While the grown-up is busy doing that, you might be making your picture on your piece already. So it will go up inside. How are we going to make it so that that picture can hang up on the wall and give it to your special person? Well, I think we might need to have some string and some scissors, cut the string, and some sellotape, stick our hanger onto the back of it. And this is how we'll do that. Stick it on the back with the sellotape, remember it. Hold over our piece of string. And then you've got at the top, really good hanging. That's the back. Let's see, what did this person draw? Let's have a look. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Really good picture, all ready to hang on the wall. Imagine giving that to somebody that you love and they open it because you wrapped it up in a piece of paper. And you take it out and you say, that's the most beautiful picture. I'm going to hang it on the kitchen wall so I can look at it every day and think about you. Easy to make, grown-ups. Just need to find your box lid. And I'm sure you've got one somewhere. If it's a smaller box, just cut your paper smaller. Okay, so that was lots of things. Wait a minute. I think I can hear something. A barking sound again. It's Gabriel. I wonder if he wanted to play the game about presents with us. Here he comes. I can hear him getting closer. He seems to have something a bit unusual on his head today. Oh, here he is. There are the children, Gabriel. They were wondering what you were saying and what you were doing. You want them to look at your hat? Oh, very clever. Did you tie it on yourself? You tied up a piece of ribbon and stuck it behind your ears. That was a good idea. But why are you wearing this hat? Gabriel says it's his birthday. Are you sure, Gabriel? What? Oh, maybe it's not. Is it really, 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 truly your birthday? It might be. Well, it must be somebody's birthday today, mustn't it? So, shall we have a birthday for you, Gabriel? Yes, okay, well, we will. What would you like to have happen at your birthday? Oh, good idea. He said he would like to have all the children sing happy birthday to Gabriel. And he wants to have a cake. People have cakes at their birthday. Well, not everybody does. Oh, no, yeah, it's okay. Oh, I thought he was going to cry for a minute there. You are going to have one. And a present. Okay, well, let's see what we can do. Hold on a minute and I'll see if I can find those things. Hey, look. Here's a box. With a string. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. So we can give that to Gabriel. And let's see if we can find him a cake as well, isn't it? I know we had one. Where's it gone? Put it on a plate for him. Got some candles on it. Wow, what? Doesn't Gabriel, come and see. We've got something to show you. Just adjusting his hat. Push it back a bit, Gabriel. It might fall off, you know. Here he is. Gabriel, happy birthday. Here's your cake. Ah, are you excited? Yes, I bet you are. Wait a minute, we've got you a present as well. Here it is. Oh, just saying thank you. That is kind. Well done. So Gabriel's saying thank you. And here's his present. I wonder what's inside it. Are you going to open it? No. You want to open it on your own later on and show the children next week what was inside. Oh, oh dear. Hold on a minute. Can you still see everybody? Just lift your hat up. There you are. They're all still there. They didn't disappear. So next week, we'll show the children what was inside your parcel. And yes, of course, we'll all sing happy birthday. So everybody, are you ready? We're going to sing happy birthday to Gabriel. Has it got the right number of candles on, Gabriel? You don't know because you don't know how old you are. Well, we know there are 5 candles on the cake. You have a look. You can see and you can count them for him. That's right, 5. And it looks very tasty. Ready, Gabriel? We're all going to sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gabriel. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! You're going to blow the candles out, but you need some help. Okay, I'll hold it close to the screen. Get ready to blow, everybody. Big one. Oh, thanks for helping Gabriel, everybody. That is fabulous. Well done. Gabriel, did you like your birthday? Oh, so much that your hat's fallen down. Well, let's lift it up. Then you can help me say goodbye to the children. Next week, Gabriel's going to show you. And you can think, what might it be? What would Gabriel like for a present? Oh, I wonder what it is. Ready? Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye to everyone. Wave goodbye. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye to everyone. Kiss goodbye. Yes, I haven't forgotten. Bye from Claire and Sarah and Judy in the toy library. And we'll see you next week. Bye.